In today's video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks you need to know on how to find the slope of a line. Okay, so we have a problem here. It says find the slope of the line, and here's our line, and we have our x-axis and our y-axis here, okay? So first step is to understand that the rate of change is the same as the slope. Okay, so when the slope equals the change in y over the change in x. And like we said, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Now we just pick 2 points on the graph that are easy to read, okay? The ones that are easy to read are right here on the intersections of two lines. So point 1 is 3, 40, and point 2 is 6, 60. So point 1 is 3, 40. Point 2 is 6, 60. Okay. So now we just calculate the change in y over the change in x. And that equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what are y2, y1, x2, y2? So point 1, we call this x1 and this is y1. For point 2, we call this x2 and this is y2. Okay, so then we just plug in the numbers. So y2 minus y1 is 60 minus 40. And then x2 minus x1 is 6 minus 3. Okay, and then you just calculate that out and you get the rate of change equals the slope, which equals 20 over 3. And you could change that into um, a mixed number. So it'll be a whole number with a fraction. So 6 2/3. And that's it. That's all you need to know about slope of a line. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are related to this topic. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.